Have you been struggling to breathe clearly or constantly dealing with a blocked nose? Many people face this problem without realizing that tiny, soft growths called nasal polyps might be the reason. These small, painless lumps form inside the nose or sinuses when the tissue lining stays inflamed for a long time. They are not cancerous, but they can make your life uncomfortable by blocking airflow, reducing your sense of smell, and causing constant congestion or sinus infections. The good news is that while large or severe polyps sometimes need medical treatment, there are several simple, natural ways to ease the symptoms and even help shrink smaller polyps over time. One of the simplest and most effective ways to manage nasal polyps naturally is through saline nasal rinses. This involves gently washing the inside of your nose with a saltwater solution. The rinse helps clear out mucus, allergens, and irritants that trigger inflammation. When you flush your nasal passages with saline, you keep the tissue clean and moist, which helps it heal and reduces swelling. You can use a neti pot, squeeze bottle, or nasal irrigation system to do this. Many doctors recommend using distilled, sterile, or previously boiled and cooled water to make sure it's completely safe. A simple homemade solution can be made by mixing 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda in about 500 milliliters of sterile water. Rinsing once or twice daily can bring noticeable relief and help your nose stay open and clear. It's important to remember that water safety is key. Always use clean, sterile water to avoid infection. Another easy and comforting method is steam inhalation or maintaining humidity in the air. Breathing warm, moist air helps loosen mucus and calm swollen nasal tissues. Steam works almost like a natural decongestant by thinning mucus and opening up the airways. You can do this by inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water. Just be careful to keep your face at a safe distance to prevent burns, or by running a hot shower and breathing in the steam. Using a humidifier in your bedroom, especially during winter or in dry climates, can keep the nasal passages from drying out and becoming irritated. Although steam inhalation alone may not make polyps disappear, it can ease discomfort, reduce congestion, and support other treatments. Adding natural anti-inflammatory foods to your diet can also make a big difference. Turmeric, for example, is a powerful natural spice that contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the nasal passages. You can use turmeric in your daily meals, take it as a tea, or use a high-quality curcumin supplement after consulting your doctor. Some people also find gentle relief from inhaling steam infused with a few drops of eucalyptus oil, but essential oils must always be diluted and never applied directly inside the nose. Even small lifestyle changes like eating anti-inflammatory foods, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and fresh fruits and vegetables can help reduce the overall swelling and irritation that make polyps grow. Another important natural step is to control the triggers that cause ongoing nasal inflammation. Many people with nasal polyps also have allergies or are constantly exposed to irritants like dust, mold, smoke, or strong chemical fumes. These triggers keep the nasal lining swollen and make polyps come back even after treatment. Try to identify what worsens your symptoms and minimize exposure. You can reduce dust mites by using protective covers on pillows and mattresses and washing bedding weekly in hot water. Keep pets out of your bedroom if you're allergic to dander, and use an air purifier to reduce pollen and dust. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke, as tobacco smoke is one of the strongest irritants for nasal tissue. Keeping your environment clean and free from allergens can significantly reduce inflammation and help prevent new polyps from forming. In addition to local treatments, your overall lifestyle plays a big role in controlling inflammation. Some studies have found that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to have chronic sinus inflammation and nasal polyps. Vitamin D supports the immune system and helps control inflammatory responses. Getting your vitamin D levels checked and maintaining a healthy level through safe sun exposure, vitamin D-rich foods like fish and eggs or supplements, as recommended by your doctor, can help your body fight chronic inflammation more effectively. Similarly, having a healthy gut may also support your immune system. Probiotics found in yogurt, kefir, or supplements can help balance gut bacteria, which in turn may influence inflammation in the body. Though probiotics don't directly treat nasal polyps, they can contribute to overall health and make your immune system more resilient. Gentle breathing exercises and yoga practices can also support your recovery naturally. Breathing deeply through your nose, practicing alternate nostril breathing, or doing simple yoga stretches that open up your chest and sinuses can improve airflow and reduce pressure. These relaxation techniques lower stress levels, and since chronic stress is linked to increased inflammation, this can also help indirectly with nasal health. Combining these small, natural habits can bring meaningful relief and improve your breathing over time. However, it's important to remember that natural remedies take time and consistency. Smaller nasal polyps sometimes shrink with these methods, but larger or long-lasting ones may need medical attention. You should see an ENT specialist if you have severe breathing difficulties, frequent sinus infections, nosebleeds, major loss of smell, or if your symptoms don't improve after a few weeks of home care. Doctors can prescribe nasal corticosteroid sprays to shrink inflammation directly or offer short courses of oral steroids in more serious cases. In recent years, newer treatments like biologic injections have become available for patients whose polyps keep coming back. In extreme situations, endoscopic surgery may be done to remove polyps, but even then, following natural care routines afterward helps prevent them from returning. It's also very important to know what not to do. Never try to remove nasal polyps yourself. They are attached to sensitive tissue, and attempting to pull or cut them can cause serious bleeding or infection. Instead, focus on reducing inflammation and keeping your sinuses clean and healthy. Natural care is meant to support healing, not replace safe medical treatment when needed. If you're just starting to manage mild nasal polyp symptoms at home, you can try a simple 2-week plan. Begin by rinsing your nose twice a day with saline, once in the morning and once before bed. Use steam inhalation at least once daily and run a humidifier while you sleep to keep your nasal passages moist. Add turmeric to your meals or take a small amount of turmeric tea daily, and make sure you're getting enough vitamin D from sunlight or food. Keep your room clean, avoid allergens, and spend a few minutes each day practicing slow, deep breathing or light yoga stretches. Within a couple of weeks, you should notice easier breathing, less congestion, and possibly better sleep. If you don't see improvement, that's your cue to check with a doctor for further evaluation. Living with nasal polyps can be frustrating, but there's hope in small, consistent habits. Keeping your sinuses clean with saline, breathing in warm, moist air, eating anti-inflammatory foods, managing allergens, and supporting your body with vitamin D and probiotics all work together to reduce inflammation naturally. These approaches are safe, gentle, and scientifically supported ways to care for your sinuses. Even if you eventually need medical treatment, these healthy habits can make a huge difference in your recovery and long-term comfort. In the end, natural remedies work best when you're patient and consistent. Think of it as helping your body heal from the inside out, slowly, steadily, and naturally. With a few small daily habits, you can breathe easier, feel fresher, and keep your nasal passages healthy. If symptoms ever get worse, don't hesitate to see a specialist for expert care. But until then, these 5 simple natural methods are a great starting point for anyone looking to shrink nasal polyps and finally enjoy clear, easy breathing again.